What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to do some turkey hunting, but it's juvenile, so we're taking this young boy out. He's about 10-year old. We're going to take him to one of my private spots. I got a blind out, and there's turkeys here. And yeah, there's a big gobbler. They should be roosted right behind us. And so, yeah, should be a pretty good hunt. He's never killed a bird before. And we got permission to hunt his farm, so the guy was just like, "Oh yeah, just let us, you can hunt it if you bring the kid." And so we're gonna bring the kid, kill his first bird, and yeah, see what happens.
Good job, buddy. Woo! Oh yeah, that big one come out with his hen. I heard him strutting. Oh, perfect. I mean, it was perfect. Oh yeah, that looks good.